Have you ever dreamed of building wealth and achieving financial freedom? One of the best ways to achieve this is through passive income. In this video, we'll show you how to use assets to buy liabilities and create a passive income stream. Passive income is money earned without actively working for it. This can be achieved by investing in assets like real estate, stocks, or businesses. By generating passive income, you can work less and earn more. The key to building wealth with passive income is to use your assets to buy liabilities. This means investing in things that generate income such as rental properties or dividend-paying stocks, and using that income to pay for expenses like mortgage or a car payment. For example, let's say you purchase a rental property that generates $1,000 per month in rental income. You can use that income to pay for the mortgage, property taxes, and other expenses associated with the property. Over time, as the property appreciates in value, you can sell it for a profit and use that money to purchase more income-generating assets. Another example is investing in dividend-paying stocks. By investing in companies that pay dividends, you can earn a regular income stream without having to sell the stocks. This income can be used to pay for expenses or reinvested into more dividend-paying stocks to grow your income even further. To build wealth with passive income, it's important to have a solid financial plan. Working with a financial advisor can help you identify the best investment opportunities and develop a plan that works for your financial goals. So there you have it, the power of passive income and using assets to buy liabilities. By generating passive income, you can achieve financial freedom and live the life of your dreams. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more financial tips and advice.